hear the words system, the nature sound, yeah? See that? See the beautiful flower. It's alright. Let's go walk the other side. Oh, it's a green? Oh, I didn't know that this is a green. Listen. Germany is a beautiful place. Speak to nature, cleanliness. It's Germany. Yeah. Their nature's not stressed. The people a little bit stressed. I don't know if I'm going to go there. I'm going to see it. I'm going to. Oh my gosh, I want to sleep there. But I'm alone. I want to sleep there at the middle. Oh my gosh. I want to go there and sit. The smell of nature. The wide or this cement, okay? The other one is not cemented. It's a rough road. But they say it's good if you're walking to the rough roads, not to the... Alright, I don't know. I'm waiting for the sun, and if the sun comes, then I will go. I thought it's no cars here. Oh my god. May car pala dito? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so I close it now, okay? Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Already see the nature.